Your root chakra sits at the base of your spine like a funnel pointing downward. Its color is red. Let's do some root chakra clearing and repair. To do this, imagine a red funnel that is symbolizing your root chakra. I'm going to have it pointing downwards, just so that you can connect with understanding that your root chakra points down. But you can have your image of a red funnel whatever direction you like, and you may want to rotate it to examine it as you do this healing. Your first step is to clear any entities and attachments that are targeting or around or in your root chakra. You'll do this by asking yourself if there are any entities or attachments targeting your root chakra. You may see images of critters or strange things on your funnel. Don't be freaked. Just ask your angels to please clear them, and you will notice that they disappear. Does the angels please clear my root chakra of any entities and attachments? Thank you. Next, you will clear energetic cords. Ask yourself if you have any cords on your root chakra while imagining your red funnel. Cords can wrap and wind all around. This is just two examples of cords. The cord on the left is very common, you might see coming from entities or attachments. They look like vines. The cord on the right is a cord that usually looks like this when it's coming from a person. If you see any rope or vine-like cords, dissolve them with golden healing light or Reiki or whatever modality you prefer that works for you. Golden healing light is always highly superior energy clearing. It's very effective. Step 3, clear emotional energy blocks. Ask if you have any energy blocks in your root chakra. They may present as dark spots or chunks. Be sure to check the inside of your funnel as well. And you can direct golden healing light on the energy blocks to dissolve them. You can also remove them, take them off, use Reiki. And remember, you can always ask your angels for help if you encounter something that's giving you a challenge. This is a demonstration of an example of what you might see when you ask if you have any energy blocks on your root chakra, when you're imagining your red funnel. Introduce the healing energy, Reiki, golden healing light, and just let those blocks dissolve away. Energy blocks are condensed pieces of emotional energy that's yours or perhaps belongs to others. Just let the blocks dissolve away. You can do this through visualization or intention. It works through intention. Step 4, repair damage to the chakra. Ask if you have any damage to your chakra. Imagine your funnel for spots. Examine your funnel for spots that look smashed, torn, punctured. You can direct Reiki or golden healing light on these areas and allow them to reform. Some examples of what can happen when the chakras becomes damaged. It can be smashed or have chunks taken out of it. And again, just direct that healing light, Reiki, golden healing light, to the areas and direct them to reform. Your energy will reform. All it needs is direction and some healing energy to support it. Step 5, calibrate. Now that you have cleared and repaired your root chakra, it's time to activate and elevate. Give it a good wash with golden healing energy and change the color of red to the one you feel is best for you at this time. Just washing. You can have golden healing water and just wash your root chakra inside and out. Golden healing water, golden healing light, Reiki, and brighten it up. Wonderful! You just cleared and repaired your root chakra.